Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and all of that great stuff so you don't miss when I post new videos. So first I came in with some black polish. I did 2 coats of that, and then I did this really pretty reflective glitter on top. Then I'm coming in with this pink. I will link all the products in the description in case you guys wanted to follow up with these products. So I did 2 coats of the pink. And then I didn't cure that top pink because I'm gonna put a really pretty glitter on top. And believe it or not, I got this glitter from Dollar General. It was in the craft section and it was just $1. And you can put it over any color and it will just make this, allow the color to show through. And I think it's really, really pretty. And it's just raw fine glitter. So I'm just doing a layer of that into the wet gel paint, and you want to make sure you get all that glitter in there good. And I pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and I'm dusting off that, making sure you get all those crumbs and glitter off of that. Then I'm coming in on another nail with the same color pink, and then I'm going to be doing stamping. I had a really hard time with this in the beginning when I first started doing nails, but now I got it down pat. So I'm just coming in with my designs and stamping them, making sure that I get what I didn't get on the ends. I'm just coming in with a paint. And I just love this little bra. I don't know. I don't even know if it went with the set or not. I just love the bra, and I wanted to incorporate that bra and give this nail kind of a sexy feel for Valentine's Day. Maybe like lingerie. Gave me lingerie vibes, and I just thought it was sexy and cute, so I just wanted to come in with that. Then I'm top coating all of those, curing them in the lamp. Then I'm just coming around. I tried to do some little edge work with the clear top coat, and then I'm just gonna put glitter on that. I don't know if this even went with the set either, you guys. I was just honestly just trying things. You guys let me know how you like this set. If you like it, just let me know. If not, comment down below and tell me what you didn't like about it, or maybe what I could do to change it. So I'm just gonna dust off that glitter, pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna go around and trace around that glitter, sort of adding to that lingerie feel. That's what I call myself doing. I don't know if that's what you guys got from it, but it just kind of gave me a lingerie feel. And I'm just tracing and outlining this nail, and I did add a couple specks of glitter just to give it something so it's not so plain. Then I already came in with a jelly nail, and I'm top coating that, and then I'm adding my rhinestones, popping them in the lamp for 60 seconds, and this is the final product. I love it. Love, love, love. I think it's so sexy, so chic, so classy, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm all about Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you guys, let me know if you like these kind of videos or if you'd like to see something else. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.